Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I get these beautiful knotless braids. So let's jump right in.
Oh, hi.
Starting off with what I use for the hair, I used a couple of colors. I mixed them. I used color 27, 30, a little bit of this blonde, and I basically mix them together. The first thing my hairstylist does, and I'm going to put all her information down below, everything I use is down below. She parts my hair, makes sure that it's ready. For me to stretch my hair, I always put it in braids after I wash it because I have 4C hair. So I've already stretched my hair and she just goes in and braids the hair. To be honest, with the braiding pattern, you really have to pay attention to the way she's doing it, so that way you can really be able to understand if you are somebody who wants to do this style by yourself, or if you're somebody who is a hair braider and you want to learn this style. I think that this is something that takes a little bit of practice here and there, but I know she does feed in a couple of braids first, and she starts off with my real hair and then adds the braids. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a close-up version, and I'm not going to talk so that you guys can see, but here she is just doing the same thing. And obviously this style takes a lot of time. We started at around 8 a.m. and we ended around 6-7 p.m. so that's a couple of hours. But what I usually do when she comes to do my hair, especially if it's a braid style that takes a while, is we usually watch a lot of Nigerian movies and just chill, really. I think that if you occupy your time with Netflix or watching something, before you know it, a couple of hours will be over and your hair will be done, and you won't even realize that the time has passed. So that's what I do all the time. I think I watched like 5-6 movies, and by the time that I finished the last movie, we were already done. So this is a part where I'm just gonna let you guys watch the close-up of the process. So obviously we're going to do the same thing for all my braids. She did medium knotless braids in the back, and in the front she did them a little smaller. I felt like I didn't really want to sit down to do the whole hair small, so I really like the style. I actually was going back and forth if I should use black or blonde hair, but I just decided to go with blonde because I kind of really like how blonde braids look in comparison to doing black braids. I feel like I've done black braids quite a lot, and I just really like this style. So yeah, we're just going on and on. See, she does the same thing for the whole hair, so just chill until the end of the tutorial. I'm going to do a little bit of a makeup tutorial. I like doing this because sometimes you do your hair and you don't know what makeup look to pair it with, or sometimes you do your hair and you're like, ooh, let me see how it looks together with makeup. So I always do like a mini makeup tutorial at the end of the video, so just watch me get my hair braided and stay tuned to the end of the video for the makeup tutorial. So after we're done, she's doing basically the last braid. I wanted a little bit of goddess vibes at the bottom without adding hair. I've done a hairstyle where I've added hair before, and sometimes it gets a little messy, so I didn't really want to add the hair that you see in like goddess braids. So what I wanted instead was like the end of my braid be curly. So how she did that was she took a couple of sections of my hair, the ends of my hair, and she twisted them, as you can see her doing here. Took 5 to 6 chunks of my hair and she just twisted the bottom, and after twisting the bottom she went in and she dipped this into the hot water, and this is going to make the hair set. Even if I wasn't twisting my hair, you always dip your hair into hot water because this is going to make the hair set and it's going to make it softer and things like that. So that is what we did. So this is how the ends came out. They came out really nice, very wavy, just a really nice, beautiful style. I wanted them really long, and right now they are a little bit past my waist. And then she puts a little bit of mousse on it just to make it nice and neat. Now, going on to the makeup, I decided with this look I wanted to do something really simple, very, very bold on the eyes, and just like a nice lip look. So obviously with this hair you can do a very, I've never believed in hair really changing the way you do makeup, but I feel like with this look that I did, it was very bold but at the same time really, really muted and neutral. So just gonna let you guys watch the makeup tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.